OLIGHT Valkyrie PL Mini 2 light. So this is a weapon light meant to go on a firearm. Big fan of OLIGHT. I have a bunch of their lights. My normal one is the Balor. This is an older one, but this is a new one, and I really welcome this one because it's very small. It's the first thing I noticed about it. It's 600 lumens. It has your normal on-off buttons. It's ambidextrous. And to put it on, it's actually really simple. So you have it in the unlocked position. And this is how I normally do it. I put it on like this. And then what you do is you then push it to the finger well there. And then you can lock it down. Now you have access to it. This has two modes. This has an automatic on and off, like momentary. So you can see you could do like, if I hold it, it'll stay on, and then as soon as I let it go, it'll turn off. Or I can just click it once and it'll stay on. It's extremely bright. It comes in a couple different colors. I really like the simplicity of it. It's very small, it doesn't have a laser, but you can get it with a laser. I'm gonna bring it downstairs so you can see how bright it is. It says 600 lumens, it's extremely bright. So if we go down here, there is a little bit of light coming through that window there, but let's check out this guy here. Look how bright that is. Extremely bright. What I would like to say is that, you know, the light itself is actually, you know, part of your defense, okay? So if you blind someone with this light, you know, and especially if it's dark, you're probably gonna have a leg up on them. So, you know, the weapon lights at nighttime are definitely a good thing to have. This is the OLIGHT light. Check that thing out. Momentary. I can momentary it on and off, or I can hold it and leave it on. Real simple controls. Fits on your weapon. Very neat. 600 lumens. You'll blind someone if you shine this in their light, in their eye, I mean.